President Aquino and top government and security officials will assess the participation of the Philippines in peacekeeping operations in the Golan Heights. This comes in the wake of the worsening security conditions in that part of the Middle East. Elena Luna reports.
After doing the final inspection in Laguindigan Airport, President Aquino flew back to Manila to preside a meeting with the security cluster of his cabinet to assess the situation of Filipino troops assigned to peacekeeping missions abroad.
Yung meeting this afternoon is to thresh out if kaya ba natin yung mission na itinalaga sa iba pa mga natitira mga puwersa doon. Payag ba ang UN, dagdagan natin either yung equipment, number one, or baguhin yung tinatawag na mga standard operating procedures doon para ma-enhance naman yung seguridad ng ating mga puwersa para manatili. Kung walang magbabago sa mga kondisyonis na yun, medyo baka undoable naman yung mission at kawawa yung ating tropa. Kung malalagay lang sila sa gitna ng dalawang potensyal na magmuguan na hindi nakayaning pagtanggol sa nila.
The countries where Filipino troops are assigned include Jordan, Haiti, India, and Golan Heights at the border of Syria and Israel.
Importante muna doon, gusto natin makatulong. Pero kung pinagagawa naman sa atin imposible, no? Anong silbing manatili tayo doon? Hindi talaga ma-accomplish yung mission. Yun ang assessment. Mamayang hapon, dahil may mga nagbago ng ang kondisyones, yung mga pakipag-ugnayan sa UN in particular and other interested states, no, will we be getting better equipment? Will we be getting different standard operating procedures or rules and engagement para ma-enhance naman yung capacity ng ating mga puwersa to safeguard themselves?
To better illustrate his concern, he cited as example Filipino troops assigned in South Sudan.
Sa South Sudan, wala tayong presence, wala tayong embassy sa Sudan or sa South Sudan. Ang pinakamalapit nating embassy na talagang makipag-ugnayan sa kanila ay nasa Egypt. So yung sa totoo lang, ultimo yung meron ba silang means of communication, sino kakausapin doon sa embassy natin, embahada natin sa Egypt, no, para sigurado na under positive control natin sila.
With the President in the security meeting were Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr., Cabinet Secretary Jose Rene Almendras, DFA Secretary Albert Del Rosario, DILG Secretary Mar Rojas, Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin, and leaders of the AFP and PNP.
Well, in terms of the peacekeeping forces, no, parang 1963. Tapos yung wala tayong pinasukan na bagong commitments with them under my watch, lahat ito parang dinatang ko na. At mukhang naging parang routinary na eh. So, nung nangyari ito sa Golan, binalik ako ang lahat ng concerned agencies. Sinabi sa akin lang, kailangan may assessment. No? Ano ba ang ginagawa natin sa bawat isang lugar na to? Kaya ba natin gawin ito? Kaya ba natin gawin na reasonable yung risko doon sa mga taong pinapadala natin dyan? No? So, that is an ongoing. And after an evaluation of each and every mission, then we will decide whether to continue that particular mission or not.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna, Laguindingan, Misamis Oriental.